Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, we were studying about the lesson how animals survive. Yes, what all the things we have studied? Yes, we have studied the definition of a habitat and the definition of adaptation and the classification of animals on a habitat. Yes, how the animals are classified on a habitat? They are classified into 5 types here. Yes, first we have studied about the terrestrial animals. The animals which can live, which live on a land are called terrestrial animals. Okay, the next one about aquatic animals. The animals that live in a water are known as the aquatic animals. ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುವಂತ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? aquatic animals ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The next one we have studied about the amphibians. Amphibians ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? The animals that can live both on land and in water are known as amphibians. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮತ್ತು ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ amphibians, dear students? The animals that live both on land and in water are known as amphibians. For example, frog. Frog, you know? Yes, the frog will live in water also and even on land also. ಈ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, so these are the amphibians: frog, toad, next one newt, okay, salamander. These are the some of the example for amphibians. These are all the things we have studied in our previous class. Dear students, today in this video class let us learn the next concept, that is aerial animals. What is the today's concept we are going to study? Aerial animals. A-E-R-I-A-L, aerial animals. So let us see what is the meaning of aerial animals. What do you mean by aerial animals? Yes, the animals that can fly are known as aerial animals. ಯಾವ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಏರಿಯಲ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫ್ಲೈ. ಫ್ಲೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾರುವುದು. ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ. ಯಸ್, ಸೊ ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಆರ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಏರಿಯಲ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. For example, birds and insects. Yes, the birds and insects will come under animals only, remember. These are the categories of animal. So birds, you know very well about birds. Birds, what they will do? They will fly. Yes, if they want to move from one place to another place, what the birds will do? The birds will fly. Okay, these animals have a lightweight bodies so that they can fly easily. Yes, the weight of the birds are very light. Yes, dear students, birds the weight ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, the animals have a lightweight bodies so they can fly. Okay, heavy body ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಹಾರಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈ, ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ವೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೈ. Birds have a hollow bones and wings that help them to fly. Yes, how the birds will fly? With the help of their wings. They are having a wings, you can see here. Can you see? They are having a wings here. With the help of that wings, the birds will fly here. Birds have a hollow bones. Hollow is nothing but a light bones. The bones of a birds are very light here. The 4 limbs of these animals are modified as wings here. 4 limbs are nothing but, okay, the limbs, the legs, they are modified as wings here. Nothing but they don't have 4 limbs. ಇವಕ್ಕೆ 4 limbs ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ 4 limbs ಏನದವೆ, ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೈ. ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ feathers all over their bodies that keep them warm during a flight. ಇವು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸು ಹಾರುವಾಗ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ತವವು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಗಾಳಿ ತುಂಬ ತಂಪಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫೆದರ್ಸ್. ಯಸ್, ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅ ಫೆದರ್ಸ್. The birds are having a feathers here. Why the birds are having feathers? Can you tell me why? Because the birds should keep their body warm here. ತಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನ ಬೆಚ್ಚಗಿಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವವು, ಫೆದರ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫೆದರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅವು ಹಾರಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಗಾಳಿಯಿಂದ ಅವುಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಫೆದರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Birds have a special body shape, narrow in front and back and the broad in the middle. This body type helps them to cut through air and fly easily. Such body shape is known as a streamlined body. Yes, how is the shape of the birds here? Yes, the birds are having a special body shape here. How it is? Narrow in a front and back. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ನ್ಯಾರೋ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್. ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಗಲ ಇದೆ, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ನ್ಯಾರೋ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ. As you all know, the bird's weight is very light, so they can fly here. If the weight of the bird is very much, then they cannot fly. For example, penguin. Penguin body weight is more, so it cannot fly. As though it is a bird. Okay, penguin is one kind of a bird, but its body weight is very much. So penguin cannot fly because of its body weight, heavy body weight. Because of its heavy body weight, penguins cannot fly. If the bird's body weight is very light, then the birds will fly. Yes, you can see here how the birds will fly here with the help of their modified 4 limbs, that is the wings here. Yes, can you see they are having a 2 wings here. With the help of these wings, okay, they will fly in the air. Okay, the bird's body weight is very light here. The body weight of the birds are less here, so they can fly in the air. Okay, these are the aerial animals, the animals which fly. Yes, the definition I have told, the animals that can fly. Yes, ಯಾವ animals ಹಾರ್ತವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ aerial animals. For example, butterfly. Yes, the butterfly will fly, so it is a aerial animal. Pigeon. Pigeon also will fly. It is also aerial animal. Swallow. The next one, owl. The next one here is a swift. These are the aerial animals. Example for aerial animals. Okay. Next, let us see about the arboreal animal. What is the meaning of arboreal? The animals that live on a tree. ಯಾವ animals ಓಕೆ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅರ್ಬೋರಿಯಲ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಗಿಡಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅರ್ಬೋರಿಯಲ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅರ್ಬೋರಿಯಲ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. The land animals that live mostly on trees are known as the arboreal animals. Dear students, here you have to remember the definition of all. What are terrestrial animals? What are aquatic animals? The next one, what are amphibians? What are aerial animals? What are arboreal animals? The definition and their examples are very important here. Okay, what are arboreal animals? The land animals that live mostly on trees. ಯಾವ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಆರ್ಬೋರಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಂಕಿ. Yes, you all know very well about a monkeys. They will jump from one place to another, from one tree to another tree. Yes, on a trees. It lives on a tree here. Squirrels, polar bear, lizards. Okay, these animals, they will live on trees here. The animals which live on a tree, for such animals we are calling a arboreal animal. They have a sharp claws with a strong grip to help them climb up. They have a sharp claws here with a strong grip to help them climb up. ಅವು ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದ್ದಾವೆ? They are having a claws here. You can see this is a claws. The body of most arboreal animals is very strong with a stout chest, bones and the limbs to provide them with enough support for climbing. They have a strong ribs and hip girdle to help them move. See dear students, these arboreal animals are very strong. Their bones, it may be their girdles, yes, even their limbs, they are very strong and they will support in a climbing the tree here. ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಮರನ ಹತ್ತುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಹತ್ತುವುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ? ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಹಿಯರ್. Yes, you can see the pictures here. Yes, how they have attached to the tree here. They will live on a trees here. Okay, some of the examples I will show here. Polar bear, it may be. Yes, the squirrel. This is a squirrel. Polar bear. Yes, owl. These are some of the example for arboreal animals. So dear students, today we have studied about the aerial animals and arboreal animals. I hope you have got the meaning of aerial animals and arboreal animals, and you can define nothing but you can write the definition of aerial and arboreal animals, and you can give the examples also. So in the next video class again we will continue with this lesson. Till that, have a nice day. Thank you.